Changing the color of your PS5 controller isn't just a neat trick. It's like giving your gear a personal touch, but it's not something Sony ships out of the box. So here's how you make it happen. The first option is buying pre-made replacement shells. These are pre-colored covers that snap onto your controller, transforming it into a custom gaming accessory. Websites like dbrand or Amazon have a variety of options to choose from. Prices typically range from $20 to $35. If you want more control, pun intended, painting it yourself is another route. But let me warn you, it requires patience, steady hands, and some knowledge of disassembly. Mess it up and you're out of controller. Pain points? Yeah, losing a $70 controller is one. Start by disassembling your PS5 controller. You'll need a set of small screwdrivers and a plastic pry tool. Gently remove the backplate and set aside the internal parts carefully. Take pictures as you go. Seriously, don't skip this step. Pro tip: label your screws or tape them to a piece of paper in the shape of the controller. Misplacing them will make reassembly feel like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Once disassembled, clean the outer shell to ensure no grease or fingerprints. Use isopropyl alcohol. Skipping this part, your paint job might chip off prematurely. You don't want your new color flaking like cheap nail polish. For painting, grab plastic-friendly spray paint from a store like Home Depot or Lowe's. Krylon Fusion is a good option. Do this somewhere with good ventilation and wear gloves. Follow the directions on the can like it's gospel. Apply thin light coats of paint. Too thick and you'll get ugly drips. Wait 10 to 15 minutes between coats, and don't rush. It'll take anywhere from 3 to 5 coats, depending on your color. Yes, painting takes time, but you want it to look professional, not like a 5-minute craft video gone wrong. Clear coat is your last step for painting. Use a matte or glossy finish to protect the paint from constant handling. Apply 2 to 3 coats and let it cure for at least 24 hours. Rushing this step is a rookie mistake that ruins all your effort. If you're not interested in painting, vinyl skins are another great option. Websites like Slick Wraps or Skunit can ship pre-cut adhesive skins. Installation takes less than 30 minutes and requires zero hardware skills. Prices? Around $10 to $20. Pro tip: use a hairdryer to apply heat while attaching vinyl skins. It smooths out any air bubbles and helps the skin hug the contours of your controller. It's the fastest way to avoid a poor fit. When you're reassembling painted or swapped shells, double-check screw alignment. Force it, and you could strip the threads. And there you have it. Your custom-colored PS5 controller is ready to go. It feels great to game with something that's uniquely yours. Customizing your controller is about more than aesthetics. It's personal. Whether you paint, skin it, or swap parts, the result is something that feels like an extension of you. Plus, it's a conversation starter when friends come over to game.